it's Kelsey. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a Pride makeup look. It is the month of June, and not that I think that we shouldn't celebrate love every day of every month of every year. This is just specifically for that LGBTQ community and to show support. It's just crazy to me that we are still fighting battles on the front of love, and it breaks my heart. So this is to show my support. And with that said, I am going to go ahead and get into the makeup look. I did purchase a Morphe palette. First off, I love Morphe products in general, but this is the Live with Love palette. It is from their Pride collection, and 100% of the proceeds go to the Trevor Project, which actually helps support the LGBTQ community. So this is a really awesome purchase, in my opinion, that you can make for not only like a really great palette, because Morphe is just one of those brands, they like have yet to fail me, but it goes to a great community to help support. So this is the Live with Love Morphe palette. I love the packaging, but the inside looks like this. So I'm really excited to jump in and play with it. So yeah, I'm going to start by taking some tape and taping the sides of my eyes, just to kind of keep everything precise and in the same place that I want it to be. I am going to start off with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to just use that as an eyeshadow primer at the moment. Lately, I'll be honest with you, I rarely ever wear eyeshadow, and if I do, I'm definitely not priming my eyes, but I figure since we're probably going in with a multitude of colors today, that I should probably do that. I don't know why I'm using the small mirror when there is a perfectly good mirror in the palette in front of me. Okay, so I think I'm going to go into the shade Spread Kindness, which is this like cream shade over here. And I'm gonna put that all over my eyes to start with, just to kind of like set that, that primer that we put down. I'm going to start with this shade Show Compassion, which is this one right here. And I'm going to put that in the outer portion of my eye. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Stand Up, which is right above that, that Show Compassion purple that we just used. And this is kind of like a deep blue. Okay, and then I'm going to go into this light blue shade called Make Space. And we're gonna go right next to where we were just at with the darker blue. Okay, next I'm gonna go into Strive, which is the green underneath the Make Space color that we just used, that light blue. Actually no, I'm gonna go into Go Forward, which is like right underneath that, because I think that's gonna be like a little bit deeper. I think we're gonna need the deeper green in here. I don't know if I started telling you the colors I've used. Okay, but I used the Strive and Go Forward, and now I'm in Share Joy. Sorry about that. I got kind of like zoned out for a bit. And then I'm gonna go into Take Action, which is right next to the yellow. And then I'm also gonna use Stay Strong to finish this out. So yeah, pray for me. Pray that this works out the way that I want it to. Okay. And then again, I'm gonna go into that red color, Stay Strong, to finish this out. Okay, so I'm going to continue doing the rest of my makeup and see how I think this looks in general. I'm assuming that I'm gonna go in and use glitter on the main parts of my eye, but I'm going to wait until I finish my makeup before I do that, because this is also kind of interesting to me to see how it blurs. And I kind of like it. I don't know, guys. What do you think? Okay, and then I think I'm gonna use this LA Girl liner to line my lower lash line, because I just think this would be fun. Okay, so I'm kind of obsessed with this. I'm gonna take a few pictures of this look specifically, because this might be where we end it, you guys. This might be where we end it. So I have like one other idea that I would love to see like to fruition with this look. And I'm gonna do that, but I'm going to say goodbye first, just in case it fails. So like if this video cuts off right here, right now, y'all, it didn't go so well, okay? So again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please check out the link in my description box below, because I'm going to be linking this exact palette on the Morphe website. Please, please, please go check it out. I loved playing with this. I think the colors are super, super fun. And honestly, it's Pride Month. Go freaking buy the palette. 100% of proceeds go to the Trevor Project. Like, could it get any better than that? And also, if you're against the LGBTQ community, don't ever follow me. Just don't. It's not worth your time, and get over yourselves, because love is love, and we should all be allowed to love whomever we want without judgment. End of discussion. We shouldn't be having these kinds of conversations in 2021. So yeah. Check this palette out. Give me a thumbs up if you like colorful looks, because this is like super, super exciting for me. Also, let me know if you have done anything with this palette before, because I would love to see more looks out of it, since clearly it's now in my possession, and I get to play with it forever. So yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button on your way out, so that you can be informed of future videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye. Okay, now let's see if we like what I do next. Okay guys, like I said, I stopped that video, and now we're going to try, I took a couple pictures just to like get a cover photo just in case this shit didn't work out, because I'm super nervous, but like I also think this is going to be super cool. So just pray for me is really all I'm asking, is for prayers, because we're gonna go in and I don't even know what color I want to do, but I think it's going to be this blue. Okay, so I'm gonna use Know Yourself. It's like this shimmery color down here, and it looks really fun to play with. So pray for me that we like what happens here. Okay, I love when things work out the way that I want them to. I just think that kind of like pulls together some of the mess that was there, plus adds some shine and sparkle, and I'm like obsessed with it. So yeah, this will be the final look right here. Again, thank you guys for sticking out the video with me. I had tons of fun using this palette. Really beautiful and really vibrant shades. So yeah, happy Pride. Mwah. Bye.